Please read this safety information. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to mount the PHE parallel handle on two SLE fuse switch disconnectors. To perform the following installation, you will need a T25 screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. As the PLE is used for connecting two SLE fuse switch disconnectors together in order to operate them simultaneously, these were previously installed on the bus bar. Make sure that the two SLE2 units are set approximately 1 millimeter apart onto the bus bar system. You can now remove the SLE doors from their hinges. First, remove the standard plastic handles from SLE using a T25 screwdriver. Attach the PHE handle to the doors using a T25 screwdriver. Note that the screws from the standard plastic handle cannot be used for this. Use the screws provided with the PHE. If there are no knife fuses in your SLE devices, remember to attach them to the door by pressing the fuse release buttons before fastening them in the appropriate positions. The doors are ready to be mounted. Just slide them down their hinges. Then raise the handle by first pressing the sides together before lifting the handle until it clicks in place. Close the SLE doors firmly with a distinct motion. Conclude by pressing the sides of the handle together and lowering it down, giving you enough room to close the cabinet. Now you're all set. The PHE is fully functional, enabling you to use both disconnectors at the same time.